okhulumayo uNokwanda Mthimkhulu, Provincial President yase-KZN for iKwaZulu-Natal Rowing Association. Namhlanje sihlangene la kaMashu ka-L eholi yaka-Eli. Sinama-KZN Indoor Championships where kuzokhompitha khona ama-districts are-active kwi-rowing. Sinama-districts awu-6 from ama-normal clubs. Sinama-districts awu-7 from ama-special schools abazokhompitha la namhlanje. Ukukhompitha kwama-special schools nokukhompitha kwama-normal clubs akufani ngokwama-race abawaresayo since bengabantu abangafani. Sinohlobohlobo lwabantu abakhona namhlanje kwi-event yethu abazoparticipate. Sinabebala siphinde sibe nabendlu yethu futhi. We decided ukuthi asike sithathe sizoyifaka elokishini. Sithathe abebala ekungavamile ukuthi babe batholakale ey'ndaweni ey'kanje ey'njengoMashu ezaziwa mhlawumbe ngendlela engacishe ibathuse, but sakwazi ukuthi sibathathe sibalethela namhlanje bazonika i-hope enganeni yomuntu omnyama engena kwi-rowing ukuthi umnyama unjalo, you can be a rower futhi ungahamba uzufike kuma-leveli aphezulu nge-rowing. So sithe asiphe umphakathi wakaMashu ithuba ukuthi nawo uyithuthukise senze sinama-district amaningi aphuma ngaphandle azobe khona la kaMashu. Nabo banamathuba besibanikile amathuba ukuthi they can showcase benze izinto abafisa ukuzenza nabo ukuthi bayithuthukise ngosuku lanamhlanje kuphela. I-program le esinayo throughout i-KZN which we are hoping ukuthi after i-event yanamhlanje nama-districts angakabi active azokwazi ukuthi as-approach athi no KZNRA nathi sesiyayicela lento because inhloso yethu ukuthi sisithathe le sport sikhiphe leya mentality yokuthi esabebala abathile but sifake ukuthi nendlu yethu emnyama asisithathe njengoba si-absorba isoccer ne-rowing asithathe simukele kanjalo. That is our aim, that is our goal as ku-rowing ukuthi nathi one day i-rowing e-KZN siyibone ngendlela cishe umphakathi obuka ngayo isoccer, not ukuthi siya-comparisha no but sithatha okuhle ngesoccer nathi siyafisa ukuthi kwenzeke kwi-sport club sethu e-future.
I-rowing, except playing it as a game, what does it mean ngokwempilo? Yes.
I-rowing i-code ehlukile, kuyi-code cishe enganayekile njengoba nje abantwana bekhompyutha namhlanje it can be a career. Ngoba njengoba bekhompyutha namhlanje sinama-empires, ama-empires siwazi ukuthi o-referee unama-trainings owenzayo ukuthi ube lo-empire. Njenganamhlanje we have Evelyn oyi-empire yethu, head of ama-empire ethu. Even worldwide uyathathwa ukuthi ayoba i-empire, that's career-wise. Sino-coach, i-coaching yethu iqala from level 1 kuya phezulu. Career-wise we-develop sayona i-rowing. Ama-athletes ethu sinama-athletes uma athatha le code njenge-career abangagcini la on provincial level only. Njengoba senza kanjena nje kusakhona u-national, kukhona no-worldwide, kuba khona nama-Africa champs. So uyakwazi ukuthi ukhule career-wise, not as a-hobby or as into just for fun, but uyakwazi ukuthi uzodevelop.
I see people pulling and pushing. Does that mean ukuthi it assists in terms of stimulating ama-organs athize emzimbeni? Is it recommended as a medicine?
I-rowing is a medicine. Umshini wethu it's a medicine ngoba ayikho iphathi yomzimba engawushayi uma uyenza. Ubabuka abantwana beyenza uyabona ukuthi isisu siyashayeka, uyashayeka amahlombe, i-lens active, all in one. Kodwa-ke umshini it's a baseline, i-grassroots yethu la siqala khona sikudevelophe. Uma ngabe usufit ngokwanele emshinini bese uyaqala-ke sesikujujusa emanzini. Umshini it's basically to give you ama-basics and understanding ukuthi uma usungena emanzini umshini uzobe usuqeqeshile ngendlela e-right, yakunika ama-basics ukuthi u-understand i-problem yasemanzini.
What would be your message to our residents about KwaMashu? And maybe before we answer that, what has this program done to the economy yakwa-L, section L? L was as a section which is ravaged by crime, unemployment and all of those negative stuff. But what has today's event done to the economy yakwa-L?
responda nje to that question alone. As KZNRA sicabanga ukuthi in a way susizile u-L ukuthi ubenefit njengokusho ukuthi i-section mhlambe engachazwa ngenye indlela. The fact ukuthi sithathe abantu abaqhamuka endaweni ezahlukahlukene sazobafaka ngaphakathi elokishini, sathatha abebala sazobafaka ngaphakathi elokishini, behamba ngey'moto zabo, bazohamba besafe bengenalutho. They will tell a story ukuthi thina sibile ka-L sahlala usuku lonke we safe. Bayaphuma abantu bayothenga ema-tuck shop, bayutilize iy'tolo, uyaphakama u-L, uyabenefitha i-section yaka-L kaMashu ukuthi i-event yethu sihoste.
The other question nje ile yokuthi abazali babantu abamnyama they always scarce uma ukuzosupport abantwana babo compared to into esibona namhlanje kwezinye inhlanga abazali bahamba nabantwana bazobasupporta. What will be your message to abazali?
I-message ingathi mina siyacela abazali basapothe abantwana njengoba ustate ukuthi abe inhlanga, and it's an honest truth kule sport code sethu namanje masingathi iwa eBold bazohamba bayenhlanga bayosupporta iy'ngane zabo, kuyayimotivate ingane, kubuild up i-self-esteem yengane noma ikhompyutha yazo ukuthi njengamanje ingane imikhompyutha iba no-coach eduze kwayo, but if umzali ekhona uyayithola le opportunity to go support ingane yakhe, iyabhusteka ingane. So we would say siyafisa nathi bantu bendlu emnyama grab that opportunity ukuthi ingane yami meeting endaweni ethile hamba, training sessions hamba, u-understand sport esenziwa ingane yakho, because as KZNRA inhloso yethu ukuthi siyithathe le sport sisifake endlini yakithi, endlini emnyama. Nawe-ke mzali ungasali ngaphandle, ngena sisikhulise sonke ndawonye ngokubambisana.
What's yakho president going as a KZN? I think appointed in September is actually your first event. So
i-vision yami as KZNRA ngonyaka ozayo first this event sikuyenza endaweni esemaphandleni, nakhona ngifisa ukuthi siphinde senze umlando ukuthi sithathe abebala bayolala emaphandleni belungiselela i-event. That's number 1. Number 2, ngifisa ukuthi sikhulise emanzini. This is actually the grassroots yard, and with ama-district esesinawo already sesiyakwazi ukuthi focus ukuthi siwathathe siwafake emanzini. We are hoping to have such events amakhulu but for i-water rowing khona la eKZN. We are hoping ukuthi ngonyaka ozayo we host i-event yasemanzini and invite amanye ama-provinces to be part of that event khona la eKZN.
Passing thoughts. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to include a senior sporting code. Sichazele umbukelo sekhaya. Abaningi bethu bazi i-canoeing. Umuphi umehluko we-rowing ne-canoeing? Sicela nje ukuthi usihlukanisele lokho ukuze umbukelo sekhaya azi ukuthi kunomehluko between i-rowing ne-canoeing. Sesivala.
Yes, and umbuzo ehlezi siwuthola noma si-approach ama-officials at-DSEC kwesinye isikhathi siyawuthola lowo mbuzo lowo. I-canoeing ne-rowing ihluke number 1, ama-boats esiwasebenzisayo. It would be difficult-ke vele for umlaleli ukuthi ayi-understand leyo course maybe akawazi ama-boats, but ama-boats ethu awafani at all. Akakwazi umuntu owenza i-rowing ukusebenzisa i-boat yaka-canoeing. Bese ihluka lapho ama-pedals ukugwedla kwethu, thina sigwedla siye emumva, bona bagwedla baya phambili. Yes, akufani, and but i-effect enkulu edala ukuthi ngafani ama-boats ethu awafani, because angikwazi isho ukuchansa ngithi ifile yaka-rowing ngicela nimbole yaka-canoeing, ngeke angisebenzele nangesisipini esisebenza ngayo thina eyethu esesipini esikhombisa emumva kanti bona baya phambili.
Igama lami nguLondeka Ngwamthembu, ngihlala eThembeni. Ngiyajabula ukuba ingxenye yalo mdlalo, kade ngangifuna kodwa ngangathi sizowuthola ngenhlanhla-ke ngawuthola ngabe ngihlala khona eThembeni. Futhi uyangijabulisa kakhulu, uyangivimbela ey'ntweni ey'ningi ngingagcine sengibhema, ngagcine sengikhulelwa ngiyingane, nginganaso isport engingaphephela kusona. Sengisitholile-ke i-road club futhi ngiyayijabulela kakhulu. isona sport engithandayo singangisiza kakhulu futhi nasesikoleni because mangiqeda isikole ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngithole i-scholarship ngihambe ngiyofunda abazali bami nje bengakhokhanga lutho kuyangijabulisa kakhulu lokho nabo kuyabajabulisa.
Sanibonani babukeli, igama lami uSambule Sibongwa kaPanza. Sport eswana sokaDuza Estenga from eThembeni. Igama le-club yethu iThembeni Rowing Club. Le sport lesi ngiyasithanda kakhulu because sibancane sisithandayo because abantu ingane eziningi zitshela ukuthi sinzima kadayi silula. So le sport simnandi because siyakwazi ukutravela sibone indawo. Yeah, ngoba bese shilo dadewethu uthi uthola i-scholarship uma usuqedile esikoleni. Yeah, abazali bakhe abakhulutho ngiyabona.
Mhlawumbe-ke kodadewethu ningathini about i-race lesanda kuphela njengamanje?
Kube i-race enzima kakhulu kodwa-ke siyabonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi ebengathi i-race esiphuma kuyona besingathembi nanokuthi siphuma u-number 1 kwezinye indawo sihambe nakhona siyawina kodwa kubuye kuba nzima kakhulu kodwa thina Nkosi yami sithi sihamba sibe simtshela ucoach ukuthi coach sobuya nayo lento efunayo so amamedala wakho uma uphethe team
siba nalo uvalo kodwa sibuye siyitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu nathi
sizoyenza lento.
Mhlambe njengo-coach we-team kusho ukuthini kuwena ukuthi usebenzisana nabantwana ngalolu
kusho lukhulu because mengisuke ngihamba nalezi ingane ngiyazi ukuthi hayi ngihamba nama-champs already. I've been traveling with them. I'm very proud of them, the performance yabo. Even le race ababuya kuyona, both of them balandelana 1 and 2. That make me proud ukuthi umsebenzi esiwenzayo ngale siyazi sisebenza ekhaya mase sila so sengishiyele kubona and they always make sure ukuthi bakhipha ama-results amahle, so I'm very proud.
Mhlawumbe imaphi ama-challenges obhekana nawo when it comes to the training, mhlawumbe ne-equipment ikhona yini before nize kuma-races?
Kuningi esibhekana nakho. When it comes to equipment siyashoda kakhulu because thina nje eklabhini yethu we have more than 40 athletes. So with lawo ma-athletes lawo thola ukuthi ama-ergometer machines ethu ayi-2 kuphela. The rest of the other things siyazizamela zona izinto zokutraina ingane ukuthi yini esingayisebenzisa to do whatever esifuna ukuyenza. Other than leyo mshini leyo sibuye sisizwe-ke ukuthi kukhona sebarowa on the water so bayahamba beye kuma-training camps kodwa ku-equipment siyashoda kakhulu. When it comes to ama-athletes ama-challenges maningi kakhulu. Absenteeism ejimini ube nalezo yinkinga. Sometimes abanye isikole sibuye sibe yabo simnqabe kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi sibadedele ngesikhathi attendance yabo.
Do you see yourselves making it to the finals because ama-championship and selections lawo? Do you see yourselves making it kuma-finals for ama-nationals angomhla ka-5 and 7 eEast London?
Definitely sure. Siyakhona lapho 100%.
What's your message to abazali ngokusupporta iy'ngane zabo when neziwa kuma-programs anjengamalawa away from home?
Siyabonga kakhulu kubazali abasisebenzisa kahle. Even though bekhona phela abasinikeza ama-challenges but kulabo abasupporta iy'ngane zabo we are very grateful and siyafisa ukuthi baqhubeke bayisupport iy'ngane zabo. Ziyayimisela zenza kahle, there are great opportunities ka-rowing. So if bekhona bayisupport iy'ngane zabo definitely sure amafutha amahle bazowabona emva kwesikhathi.
Namhlanje sibona abezinhlanga iy'ngane zabo ezodlala la e-rowing bezile abazali ukuzoyisupporta in person. Ungathini kubazali babantu bey'ngane zekithi zimnyama abangazi nokuthi ingane yakhe mekhulunywa ngo-rowing ikhulunywa ngani?
Sekwajwayeleka-ke khona ukuthi-ke laba abamhlophe bajwayele ukuthi abazali babo bahlezi bekhona. Nathi siyafisa ngelinye ilanga ukuthi masitravela siyodlala somewhere kube khona labo nje abazoba khona bezosupport iy'ngane zabo. So singasho kubona ukuthi mhla kukhona la kuvuma khona ngoba phela kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi indaba isemalini. Umasipala nama-district no-rowing South Africa most of the times ba-provide for ama-athletes. So So uthola ukuthi ekhaya-ke nangapha kukho right kodwa siyafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sibabone abanye abazali befika bezosupport iy'ngane zabo. Igama lami uPhumlile wakanxele ocoacha iThembeni Rowing Club kwaDukuza under Ilembe District.
Sibonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga.
Okay, thanks so much man. Let's wish you good luck and wish naku national championship. Nizobe nikhona futhi nithatha. Yes. Okay, siyabonga.
My name is Joshua Beatty and I'm from Durban Rowing Club. I sort of attended today because this is my first indoor regatta and I did pretty well. I came first in my heat. And I think to take away from this is the experience in more of a rural area compared to where I normally race, who I normally am like with. I think being exposed to different people is very important for our health as rowers, as being a rower is all about team camaraderie, people you meet, and the friendship in rowing as everyone as a whole. And I think it's pretty amazing.
So do you take rowing as not only as a sport but as the healthy lifestyle?
I think rowing is a pretty healthy lifestyle, yes, because it's not just a physical exercise like going to the gym or playing another sport. It's more connecting with people, connecting with who's in your boat, connecting with the people around you. For instance, in this regatta, you are racing against yourself. You have to unlock a certain place in your mind to, like achieve what you want to achieve.
You are in KwaMashu Township, the township that is known for all the negatives. And any negative experience we have come across in the township today?
Today there's been no negative experience. The place is very safe, running water, running electricity, the vibes are great, and the people in the actual regatta are amazing.
Now tell me, let's go back a little bit. Why did you yourself decided to do rowing? Why?
I started rowing because I wasn't very athletic. I wasn't very, I was a little bit overweight, if I had to be honest. And rowing just gave me the opportunity to express who I really was, what I wanted to be, and I've made lots of friends through rowing, lots of people I've met. I've been to Joburg, East London, I've been to Midmar before for rowing. So you actually travel far and wide for what you actually end up doing.
Have you been to water rowing as well? Have you gone to do the water stuff?
Yeah, so I've done flat water rowing for 2 years now. So I've raced in the Germiston Regatta up in Joburg, and I've also raced in VLC, SA Champs, and very exciting experience, very exciting opportunity for me as a rower. And then on the other side, I also do coastal rowing, which is in the ocean. So it's very different, very completely different. And I've made lots of friends through both types of rowing.
Would you recommend other kids of your age to do rowing?
Yeah, I'd highly recommend rowing. Rowing is a very adventurous sport, very out there. You connect with yourself and others. You explore who you actually really are and who you want to be.
Now let me just put this a bit further. South Africa has not done well in terms of rowing in the past few Olympics. And now I personally regard you as a professional athlete, professional rower. Where do you see yourself? Would you like to win a medal one day? Would you like to see you representing South Africa in Olympics in rowing one day? Where do you see yourself?
Of course everyone will want to achieve or strive to be in a competition like the Olympics or something. And you just have to be realistic in what you can achieve.
Yeah.
Like I hope in the upcoming VLC regatta up in Joburg, I can at least place.
Yeah.
So I'm aiming for maybe a bronze or silver.
Yeah.
Because that's realistic in what my ability is.
Yeah.
And I hope to see myself actually get somewhere in rowing. Yeah. My parents are very supportive. I mean, they brought me to this regatta today. When they heard about the opportunity, of course the area wasn't the best area to want to go to, but we decided, let's just take the opportunity. What's the worst that can happen? I lose. And just because the thought of losing, you should not attend. You always take away more from these competitions than you come with. Like I learned today, people I'm going to race with further in my life. And I think my biggest supporters are my father and mother, because obviously they pay for my rowing, they take me to all the regattas, they support me through hard times, like if I lose a race or anything, and they congratulate me if I win a race. And yeah, parental support's a great thing in rowing.
Coach, let's move on to you now. How are you feeling about how was today's race, the race that you just won?
Well, considering he is the first of our athletes to actually race today, he did exceptionally well, considering he has not been training for the last, say, 4 weeks. But he did impressively well. I'm very, very proud of him and all my kids that are going to be racing today. I think it's just an awesome experience to be here, being able to see the interactiveness of every other community out there, all the different districts coming in together. I think it's fantastic.
And coach, what is the normal feeling after the team has done very well as a coach?
I feel very, how can I word this? I feel like I've achieved something, not just with the kids that they've achieved. I feel like I've done a good job being able to get them to where they are, whether they do perform well, whether they had a bit of a bad day, they still did well in my eyes, and I take that back with me and I'm like, all right, now this is what we're going to do to prepare to get better for the future.
Can you encourage more people to participate on the rowing?
Yes, so with rowing, I've been involved for 10 years now. I originally did rowing at school level at St. Dunstan's College in Joburg, and I moved down here completely forgetting about Durban Rowing Club. And we're lucky enough that we row in the harbour with water, and we do indoor training sessions. And when I realised that there was, I was like, let's take a chance on this club, because why not? There's different people in Durban, there's a huge vastness of the races, which is awesome. Let's mix and match. Rowing is a beautiful, beautiful sport once you understand what goes into the rowing.
Rowing is not only the sport, but it's also the business. The business of coaching, the business
Yes.
of all technical, the fixing of the machine and building
Yes.
of all those machines. What would you say to people that are not capable in doing the sport as a sport, but coming in rowing and into business?
I think it's a good approach. If you struggle with doing the actual physical part, there are lots of other opportunities within rowing. As a coach, assistant coach, you can become a workman, you can help repair boats, you can help with just keeping the team spirit. There's a lot of aspects and job roles that involve, or that you can get involved in if you join a rowing club, if you want to start one up. There's lots of job opportunities. There's a whole community within rowing that you will not find in any other sports.
Your experience of Kwamashu, I think this is your first time. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is your first time
In Kwamashu,
Kwamashu.
yes.
Your experience?
I will be honest, I thought it would be a little bit odd for me. And then I arrived and I was like, actually, it's not bad. The aspect that people have put on, or the perspective and view that they put on townships, not all of them are the same. Whereas some, yes, they're more dangerous. Kwamashu here is actually very lovely, friendly people in the area, very, very safe. I don't feel like I need to look over my shoulder constantly. I feel safe, welcomed, and all of that, yeah.
Now, do you see your team actually, or some members of your team, making it to represent the province of the nationals?
I do. I have my eyes on two of my athletes that have a real good chance of being selected for the nationals team for KZNRA. One of them standing right next to me, and the other one is still racing about in 2 hours or so. So they are the two that I'm honestly looking at. The others, they want to push and see where they can get. If they don't get in, not a problem. They've still got more time to train to get into it next year.
Let's encourage parents to support their kids.
Yes, so parents, please, please, please support your kids. Because I know from my parents supporting me, they used to hate it, but the kids feel a lot more better. They feel like they can show off, and they do better within rowing and racing and participating if you are there. If they see you, they push, they do exceptionally well. If you're not there, it puts them down. So please, parents, I am asking you very, very nicely. Support your kids. Do as much as you can, even if it's not much at all. Try and come support them. It means the world to them. My name is Amy Arbendroth, Durban Rowing Club. I'm the coach.
Igama lami ngumlamuli ngwaZulu, ngisuka eNkandla, ngifunda eMasizini Special School. Ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi ngizelana ngizodlala umshini indoor rowing. Uqala ngonyaka odlule. Unyaka oqala. ngiyangijabulisa ngoba uyakwazi ukuthi ungikhiphe ungibonise indawo njengaseThen njengoba ngila namhlanje. Ngiyajabula kakhulu.
But yini bathanda ukuzodlala lo mdlalo we-rowing?
Ngoba ngubona ulula futhi ngathi mnandi.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguNtsikelelo Isibongo Nwabiyela, uMakamlamuli Zulu ofunde eMasizane. Namhlanje sila kwaMashu ukuzosupporta uMlamuli bazodlala i-row, uMlamuli engimzalayo. So njengomzali kaMlamuli ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi namhlanje umntanami akwazi ukuthi ahambe azafinyelela la ahlangane nezinye inhlaka ngomdlalo awudlala esikoleni. So lokho kunginikeza ithemba lokuthi nangelinye ilanga usengakwazi ukukhulisa ikhono lakhe ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo, indlela ayimisela ngayo emidlalweni ekhona esikoleni la afunda khona. So ngiyafisa ukuthi nabanye abazali emakhaya abanezingane kanje ngomlamuli bekwazi ukuthi izingane zabo mangabe kuthiwa kunemidlalo ekanje beyidedele ikwazi ukuhamba ziyodlala ngoba maningi amathuba engase ifinyelele kuona ngokuphuma kanje ziyodlala nezinye inhlaka.
Thank you so much.
Igama lami nguAnele Ngwasigwaza, ngoba eMtuba kwi-district yaKaMkhanyakude, hlala eThandana. Funda eKodibe Secondary School.
Igama umele ukuhle Mthetho. Njengoba eshilo ngidazi kusuka khona nami ngisuka khona kwaMsana eMkhanyakude. Ngifunda esikoleni Mtuba High School.
Igama Siyabonga Phosini, nami ngisuka khona eMkhanyakude abazomtuba ngi-sport scientist esebenza kwaMsane High Performance Center. So lawa ama-athletes anda uMkhanyakude esisuke nawo seza ukuthi azoparticipate ku-rowing. So i-rowing into rowing bese bekubuke sengathi i-sports esidlalwa abantu abamhlophe. So the reason why sisho nje ukuthi into rowing idinga specific equipment. So ukuze ukwazi ukudlala into rowing kumele ube ne-equipment ozoba nayo ukuze ukwazi ukudlala i-rowing. So indawo ke eMkhanyakude esene-rowing active kwi-rowing sewumtuba kuphela. Ngobani na? Ngoba umtuba une-high performance center ene-equipment okudlala i-rowing. So as uMkhanyakude district besifisa ukuthi i-rowing siyikhulise iye nakwezinye indawo kumanye ezinye ingxenye zomKhanyakude. Kungabi ngathi manje into yasemtuba kuphela ngoba njengamanje kwasiyilana sifike nje nezingane eziqhamuka from ey'koleni zasemtuba. So i-plan yethu going forward ukuthi i-rowing isabalale uMkhanyakude wonke, idlale ko-Jozini, idlale ko-Mhlabiyalingana, idlale ko-Big Five. So under uGisek besebenza entweni ethi ke next year siyahamba siya-introduce i-rowing to indawo lezi engikuzo. So isifiso sethu ukuthi mhlampe ngo-2028 since kuza ama-Olympics ukuthi uMkhanyakude ube one or two athletes azohamba nawo ayoparticipate ku-Olympics amele uMkhanyakude from i-team KZN. So that ilento esifisa ukuthi as abantu baka-sport sikwazi ukuthi si-achieve.
Mhlambe ke Sisile, what inspired you to be part of the rowing or taking i-rowing as a sport?
I-rowing inama-opportunity amaningi ukuyodlala endaweni eziningi ehlukahlukene. Uyodlala unational. Uma udlala unational uyaziwa umhlaba wonke nabantu abaningi ukuze mhlawumbe uyodlala nabo kwamanye amazwe.
Usudlalile namhlanje. Yathini imiphumela?
Ngidlalile namhlanje. Imiphumela yami noma ngingakaze ngibone. Kodwa ngidlalile, ngadlala kahle, futhi bengidlale ngijabulile.
Where do you come from ne-rowing? Namhlanje uzoparticipate kwi-KZN Championship.
I-rowing ngisuka nayo nje khona ePark. We can say that i-rowing I wasn't interested in it. But since they say rowing is a sport that helps you mentally and physically, so I wanted to partake in playing and in being in that sport. So that's why I chose today, since today it was an opportunity for me to explore what the rowing does. So since today I've seen rowing, it has many people, many opportunities, many ways to make you feel better about yourself and helps you improve yourself.
Should every district have a sports science center?
Yes.
And why?
i-high performance center njengoba ikhona emkhaya umuntu. So okokuqala nje i-high performance center njengoba i-accessible iba accessible kubantu abangakhoni ukukhokha ukuya kuma facilities anjengo Durban o Prime lapho akwazi ukukhokha khona. So ama facilities njengalawo awakahulumeni. So asiza ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ama athletes asendaweni akwazi ukuthi awa improve physically nanokuthi uma ukuthi mhlawumbe ama athletes alimele akwazi ukuthi kunabantu abakwazi ukwasiza ukuthi a recover from ama injuries lawa nayo. So ngaba into enhle ukuthi i-province especially endaweni esemakhaya ibe khona nje ama facilities njengama high performance centers.
You're going to be taking the game on njengamanje anytime soon.
Yes.
Ubathembisana nabantu basemkhanya kude.
Ngiyabathembisa position that's position 1 or 2.
Ngoxolisile mina ngishadele kwaHadebe. Ngwasemzimkhulu ngokuhlala ngise Durban. Ingane yami Sipesihle Thoba ngiyamsupporta kakhulu kwi-rowing ngoba izomgwema entwana eziningi ejenga nezidakamizwa ezenziwa ngaphandle. Izomenza hleze healthy right ephilile empilweni ingawo ngimneze support noma kuthiwa yikho imali ayitholayo kodwa ngiyamgqugquzela ukuthi ingane yami ihamba ukuze uhleze umzimba wakho uhealthy uvikeleke nakwezidakamizwa ezenzekayo enganeni zabafana. Ngiyamsupporta kakhulu futhi ngiyamthanda neposition ayenzile namhlanje. Ngiyambongela kakhulu umfana wami ngimnika isupport enkulu yami. Ngisohlezi nginayo.
Njengomzali ungathini umyalezo wakho kubazali abangakayenzi lento yenzayo ukuthi uzomsupport umntwana?
Ngiyabacela Nkosi yami ngiyabagqugquzela kakhulu ukuthi ngicela sisupportene ingane lento abayenzayo inhle kakhulu. Ngelinye ilanga ngabona ingane yakho mhlawumbe seyiko UJ mhlawumbe seyiPPP ngayo i-rowing ungayibukeleli phansi ngoba sithi into yolunye uhlanga nathi bantu abamnyama sivumelekile ukuthi singayidlala i-rowing.
Cawathi kungenzeka njengabazali nanithole seniyibadlali.
Ngiyakufisa ngelinye ilanga ukuthi nathi ke kuthiwe bazali ake yenziwe njalo sikhombise ingane zethu ukuthi kahle kahle lento bekumele siyenza kanjani. Ngiyabonga baba.
Thank you so much.
Second place, Ilembe, Guanele Fega, 4 minutes and 18 seconds. First place, Samuel Mkandi from Ethekwini, 3 minutes 46 seconds. Ethekwini. Okay, Samuel Fusanda Jr., under 14, event number 2, hits number 1. Uyisenathi abilunga lekhona from Zululand. From Zululand. Okay guys, I must get a stage, some of our teacher team, yeah? Okay. Number 2, Sugolu Charlie from Zululand. 2 minutes of second. Number 1, first place, Vuyo from Mama Juba, 1 minute 15 seconds. Okay. Junior, women, under 14, event number 3, hit 1. from Umkhanyakude, Kunozama Panza, 5 minutes 14 seconds. Second place. First place, Umkhanyakude, Zabu 4 minutes 49 seconds. Junior women, heat number 4. Event number 4, heat 1. Third place, Amajuba. Third place, Amajuba, Siyamthanda, 2 minutes 34. Okay, Senior Ncane. Sanogo to number 1 now. Okay, siyakudla nje. Junior women under 14, event number 4, hit 1. Amajuba uSiyamthanda Ngoni, 2 minutes 34 seconds. Amajuba Tapsile, 2 minutes 26 seconds. King Tejwayo, first place King Tejwayo, Salady Siwe, 2 minutes 24 seconds. Salady Siwe Kon, with the number 1 way 2 below, first place. Under 15 junior men's. King Tejwayo. Okay, now under 15 junior men's, event number 5. Same Hutasin, third place, Gogolov. Kanyawute, second place, Spaces Black Battle. First place, Itegweni Joshua. Okay, ababebelungu abalandelayo. Junior men's under 15 event number 6 1. Third place, Uthukela. Khayani Tumabas, 2 minutes 2 seconds. Second place, Uthukela, 1 minute 53 seconds. First place, Domis, second place. First place, Uthukela, Xolani Mavimbela, 1 minute 51 seconds. Okay, junior women under 15, event number 7, hit number 1. Mgomundo, Harry Burton, third place. Second place, Kongolo Lily. First place, Amy. Okay, guys. Junior women under 15, event number 8. Amachuba, Unat, first place, 2 minutes 15 seconds. Amachuba, Unat Zulu. Okay, junior women under 16, third place, Amateur. Nokpina Haden, 6 minutes 14 seconds. Second place, Zululand, Snetemba Stone, 5 minutes 9 seconds. First place, Amachuba Ayan Damasoto, 4 minutes 53 seconds. Zululand, September, Snetemba Stone. Number 2 was it? Mr. Temple to make the lucky second pilot to woman by time. Junior, junior women under 16, event number 10. Then place Kanyawood, Snazo course, 9 minutes 29 seconds. Second place, Samuel Banza, 8 minutes 34 seconds. First place, 11, London and 10, 8 minutes 31 seconds. Second place, 11, Samuel Banza. No, 11, Samuel, number 2. Number 2, Samuel. Number 1, London. Junior men under 16, event number 11, it's number 1. Third place, King Joshua, Snetemba, 3 minutes 59 seconds. Second place, Lamoni Sili, 3 minutes 53 seconds. First place, Etienne Bandu, 3 minutes 52 seconds. Number 2, Lamonisu from Kikle Joy. It's a win, Bandu. First place, it's a win, Bandu. Number 2. Ubandu Magib, same compliment, Aliakenai. Yes, or Africa, yes. Okay. Junior men under 16, event number 12. Third place, Kanyagoda, Spelele, Boyas. 8 minutes 12 seconds. Second place, Amachuba, Tolani Mbo, 7 minutes 40 seconds. First place, 11, Banele Manana, 7 minutes 44 seconds. Okay. Junior women under 19. Event number 13, hits one. Third place, King HY, Stongo Zilembat, 4 minutes 41 seconds. King HY second, Stongo Zilembat. Second place, Zululand. Telling me no service. 4 minutes, 27 seconds. First place, Zululand. Berlin Jove. Junior men's under 19, event 14. Third place. Gandhi Nolanga, 3 minutes 38 seconds. Gandhi Nolanga. Second place, Apelele, 3 minutes 35 seconds. Utogwe. First place, Zululand. Toban. Shangasa, 3 minutes 24 seconds. Junior women, his event number 15, hits one. Zululand. Stelsego Kumalo, 4 minutes 59 seconds. First place. First place, no come down, child. Number one, Musa Prince, number one. Junior Open. Junior Women Open. Third place, 11. Nogwanda, 10. Second place, Etebu, Rachel. First place, JP, Etebu. Number 2. Number 1. Television. Junior Men Open. Third place, Arabia Benio with third place. From Zululand, Lusanda. 4 minutes. Lusanda Mwako from Zululand, Sunday, third place. Lusanda from Zululand, Junior Men Open, event number 17. Season course 3 minutes 56 seconds. Amateur first place Denzel Kabin 3 minutes 46 seconds. Okay guys, race number 18, Junior Men's Open. Third place, 11, Tutugo, 7 minutes, 11 seconds. Tutugo, 11. Third place, 11 minutes, 7 minutes, 11 seconds. Second place, 11. Kuwait Kosi, Tombela, 7 minutes, 4 seconds. First place, 11. Kwanele, 7 minutes, 1 second. Guys, so tell all Gama winners, all winners come up front to take one picture. Tell all Gama winning number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 pesa na mamita lamo kapambe. Izo babu sweet na mashembet.